What is iron? Iron is a chemical element with the symbol Fe and atomic number 26. It is one of the most abundant elements on Earth and has a wide range of applications due to its unique properties. Key characteristics and uses of iron include 1. Steel production. Iron is the main component in the production of steel, which is one of the most important and widely used materials in construction, manufacturing, and infrastructure. Steel is an alloy of iron and carbon, with small amounts of other elements added to enhance its properties. 2. Construction. Iron and steel are crucial in the construction industry, where they are used to build buildings, bridges, roads, and various infrastructure projects due to their strength, durability, and versatility. 3. Transportation. Iron and steel are used in the manufacturing of vehicles, including cars, trucks, ships, and trains. The strength and rigidity of steel make it ideal for creating the structural components of these vehicles. 4. Machinery and equipment. Iron and steel are used to manufacture a wide range of machinery and equipment, from agricultural machinery to industrial machinery and appliances. 5. Household items. Many household items, such as kitchen utensils, tools, and appliances, are made from iron and steel due to their durability and ease of fabrication. 6. Energy and power generation. Iron and steel are used in the construction of power plants, pipelines, and various energy infrastructure components. 7. Packaging. Iron is used in the manufacturing of cans and containers, often in the form of tin-plated steel or other alloys. 8. Magnetic properties. Iron is magnetic and is used in various magnetic applications, including the production of magnets and magnetic materials. 9. Health. Iron is essential for human health as it is a critical component of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. Iron is obtained from iron ores through a process called smelting, which involves heating the ores to extract the metal. It's worth noting that while iron is an essential nutrient for humans, excessive iron intake can lead to health issues, so maintaining a proper balance is important. Due to its versatility, strength, and abundance, iron is a fundamental element that underpins modern society and has a wide range of applications in various industries and everyday life.